Alright guys, what's up? So, we're going to be wearing this jacket all day tomorrow. I'm going to be working in a cold garage, and we're going to see if it actually runs for the 8 hours that it says on here. So, I bought some Hart tools last year for Black Friday, and I wasn't completely disappointed with them. And lately, I need a new battery and a new charger. I lost one. So, I went ahead and picked up this heated jacket. And it comes with the battery and the charger. It's getting cold, so we're gonna try it out. We're gonna wear it, and it's supposed to be around 33 degrees, and the high is supposed to be like 50 something here tomorrow. So it's not gonna be very warm, and we're gonna wear it on the low setting to see if we can actually get the 8 hours of runtime that it says here. So let's go ahead and jump into it and unbox it and see what comes inside. That way we can leave it charging overnight and I can wear it in the morning. So let's get into the features for this one. I have a size medium here. So the features include 3 heating zones with carbon fiber technology providing ultimate heat coverage is what the box says. We'll see. Adjustable heat settings of high, medium, and low. We're gonna run it on low the whole time that we are using it. And insulated and layered with polyester material. It says it's wind and water resistant to withstand extreme weather conditions. Not so sure about the water. I don't know if I want to risk it for the biscuit. It includes a portable power source with a USB plug-in. You can power your phone, headphones, your iPhone. What are they called? AirPods?
Yeah. Apple Watches.
Your Apple Watch? No, not your Apple. You can charge your AirPods, your phone
AirPod
on the
Pros.
same battery, AirPod Pros, if you're rich.
Boy!
All right. And it's compatible, like I said, with all the Hart 20 volt lithium ion batteries. This comes with a 1.5, and they do have the 2 and the 4 amps. All right guys, and then so it has 3 heating zones on the left chest, on the right chest, and then one along the back right here. Like I said, it has 3 settings: medium, high, low. The red, when you push the button on the jacket, I'll show you guys here in a minute, the red means high, the white means medium, and the blue is low. So we're gonna run it on blue tomorrow. And it's 93% polyester, 7% spandex, the outer material. The inner material is 100% polyester. Washer and dryer safe. And this color that we got here is black, and they also have it available in a camo version, which I thought was pretty cool, but I didn't want to order it. It does come with a 1-year jacket warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside.
Can I open it?
Alright, here's our jacket. Here's our adapter that goes in the jacket. Here's our charger, which is what I needed. And here's our battery. And here's our constructions, I should say. And some paperwork. Alright guys, so here is the adapter. This will go inside the jacket, and it's what will connect to this battery, which will run your jacket. Right now we are at 1 bar charged, I think. That goes there, and then you need to charge. This comes off. Here is your USB port for charging your devices, 2.1 amps. And so let's go ahead and open up the jacket. Put this on the side. Let's feel this jacket out. I got my helper here next to me. Okay. It is pretty nice. It doesn't feel cheap.
It's like an Abercrombie $160.
Oh yeah? So it has the Hart logo up here on the left chest. It's like a gray. And then it has the zippers with the little blue cord, so you can easily zip up and down. Alright, and so it has this cool like quilted design on the front of the jacket. It feels pretty cool. This is a medium, and it has it on the front, and it ends right here at the pocket. It has the pockets with the zippers. The inside is like a soft material, and you have your front chest pocket here. You can slide stuff in here, your phone, your keys, whatever. It feels nice. It's not too thick, of course. Here is the inside, and inside is where your button is for your power. So this is where you will turn on and turn it off. Again, the whole inside is this soft material. You can feel the heating element right here in this area, and you can feel the cord that goes up it, but doesn't look like it'll be uncomfortable. So try it on, see how it fits. Boom. Fits like a medium. Alright. Looks nice. Has a little zip right here. This is the back pocket where your battery pocket. So, and then here's the cord. You will take this and you will pop it into that, and then you will put your battery back here. And you will zip it. Now the time I think this will feel uncomfortable is if you're driving with it, if you're sitting. But again, this is meant to be for someone outside working, so you shouldn't be sitting. Alright? Pinot Grigio. Alright, so you shouldn't be. Here's the Hart. It looks pretty nice. It fits well. It has elastic in the sleeves to keep them tight against you. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, and it's not charged, so it's not going to turn on for us until tomorrow. But you see how it fits, and we're going to charge it overnight, and tomorrow alright, we're going to charge it overnight. Tomorrow we will wear it. Alright, so another cool feature I forgot to mention was you have your battery pack. It's plugged into your jacket. And let's say you wanna, this isn't a USB, but if you have a USB charger, you plug it in, and then there's a little hole in this back pocket somewhere right here. Alright, so there's this little hole. You can bring this USB out through the inside of your pocket to this other little hole. There's 3 different little holes, one to each pocket, so each pocket has this little access hole on the inside. You can bring your USB cord for your phone into whichever pocket you want to have it in to charge your phone, which is pretty cool. And it can charge off of that same battery. Of course, it'll lower your run time, but they do have larger batteries. They have up to the 4 amp hours that you could run your phone and keep warm on it. So we'll check it out tomorrow. We're gonna wear it all day, and then we'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so this works with the Hart 20 volt system that comes with their drills and all their tools that they have in their line right now. So I think it's pretty cool that you can use the same battery for your drill and your jacket and your radio or whatever other thing that you have, and they're pretty cost effective. They're pretty affordable. They're not horrible. I did review their Black Friday deal from last year. If you want to check it out, the link will be down below and up above. So I did review that, and so far it's held up pretty well. The only issue that I've had is the driver broke when I dropped it, and it's plastic, so it broke.